From the sacred grounds of a church in Thumba to the infinite vastness of space, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, has traversed a remarkable journey. In 1962, a humble church in Thumba, Kerala, became the birthplace of ISRO, and since then, it has grown into a premier space agency, making India proud with its achievements. Today, we will take you through the fascinating story of ISRO's evolution, from its modest beginnings to its current status as a global leader in space exploration.
In 1945, Homi Jahangir Baba establishes Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, in a small church in Mumbai. In 1954, TIFR team shifts to Tumba, Kerala, and establishes Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, TERLS. In 1957, Indian National Committee for Space Research, INCOSPAR, was formed. In August 15, 1969, INCOSPAR becomes Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, and Vikram Sarabhai becomes ISRO's first chairman, and he is now known as the father of ISRO. In 1971, Satellite Launching Center, SLC, was established in Sriharikota in 1972. Experimental Satellite Communication Earth Station, ESSES, was set up in Ahmedabad in 1975. Launch of Aryabhata, India's first satellite. In 1979, Bhaskara I, India's first Earth observation satellite, was launched. In 1980, launch of Rohini 1, India's first indigenous satellite launch. In 1983, ISRO Telemetry, Tracking and Command Network, ISTRAC, was established. In 1984, India's first space shuttle, the Reusable Launch Vehicle, RLV, was proposed in 1993, launch of INSAT-2A, India's first multi-purpose satellite. When we comes to 2000s. In 2002, ISRO's Propulsion Complex, IPRC, is established. In 2005, ISRO's cryogenic engine was successfully tested. In 2008, launch of Chandrayaan-1, India's first lunar mission, and Lunar Laser Ranging Instrument, LLRI, detects water on the Moon. In 2011, ISRO's Space Capsule Recovery Experiment, SRE, was successful. In 2013, launch of Mangalyaan, India's first Mars mission, also known as MOM, became successful, and it was the first country to make its first Mars mission successful, and with a low budget of $79 million, which is less than a Bollywood movie budget. In 2017, launch of GSAT-17, India's 100th satellite, was a success. In 2019, Chandrayaan-2, India's second lunar mission, is launched and became a failure due to some technical error happened in the lander due to crash. In 2020, ISRO's Gaganyaan program, India's first human spaceflight mission, was announced. In 2023, Chandrayaan-3 is India's third mission to the Moon, launched on July 14, 2023, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, and have successfully landed near the Moon's south pole with 29 degrees south on August 23, 2023, for which we are celebrating this National Space Day. Aditya L1, India's first solar mission, has launched on September 2, 2023, a point on Lagrange 1. This mission will study the Sun's corona and its impact on the solar system, providing valuable insights into space weather and its effects on Earth. It has captured a beautiful image of Sun's coronal ejection and is studying more about it. ISRO's journey doesn't stop here. There are many exciting missions on the horizon. Let's take a look at what's coming next. Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission, is scheduled to launch in December 2024. This mission will mark a major milestone in India's space program, making us one of the few countries to have achieved human spaceflight capability. The crew for the human space flight have been selected by the agency and were from the Indian Air Force. Chandrayaan-4, India's next lunar mission, is planned for 2025. This mission will include a lunar lander and rover, and will focus on further exploring the Moon's surface and subsurface, and it will be a collaborative mission with Japanese space agency JAXA. NISAR, a joint mission with NASA, is scheduled to launch in 2024. This mission will study the Earth's surface and subsurface using advanced radar technology, providing valuable insights into our planet's geology and ecology. Shukrayaan-1, India's first Venus mission, is planned for 2026. This mission will study Venus' atmosphere and surface, and will help us better understand this enigmatic planet. India's space station, scheduled to be launched in 2035, will be the country's first modular space station. It will serve as a research facility and provide opportunities for scientific experiments and technological demonstrations. These upcoming missions demonstrate ISRO's commitment to advancing our understanding of space and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned for more exciting developments from ISRO. Explore with ISRO on this National Space Day.
Shabbat